Hello everybody, welcome back. Today is part 2 of opening my Hunkydory design team boxes. I did part 1 very recently. I will try and remember to link it in the description box of this video in case you missed it. But I have had another box and let me tell you, this thing weighs a ton. Oh my goodness. So I am new to their design team and they're currently just making sure I've got everything I need to create for them, which is why there's so much filtering through. So we're going to open this box and we're going to have a look inside together. If you do enjoy these kind of videos, please do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, because it really helps my channel to grow and reach more people. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get into this box and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. It is not often that I am left speechless, but this box has got me speechless. I am shocked. They have been super generous with what they've sent. I literally can't believe this. So I'm going to show you what's inside. First of all, I have loads of brush markers. So we have Forest Walk, Heavenly Sunset, Berry Burst, and Blue Lagoon. The colours are all along the bottom. Apologies for the dodgy lighting. It is really sunny, but today there seems to be some shadow coming from somewhere. Look at these. This is absolutely incredible. Those are all the colours. Looks like they are water-based inks and have two different nibs. So we've got like the brush nib and a fine nib. I haven't used these before. I'm really excited to play with them. They look angled. I'm not going to get them out just yet. But I will probably come back. I do like to do little review videos on the channel, so I will probably come back and let you know what I think of these as I use them and how easy they are to use, that kind of thing. But wow, that's amazing. I can't believe it. But that's not all, believe it or not. That is not all. Next up, I have watercolour pencils. I love pencil colours. It's like my preferred medium, but they've sent me watercolour ones, which just makes me even happier. So let's get them out of this bag because it's rattling a fair bit, and we'll have a little look. Okay, there we go. It's out of the bag. Look at all those colours. Absolutely beautiful. And I like that they come in a wrap and it looks polka dot, so that is right up my street. So you've got something to store them in. Looks like there's a zip there. I will open this all separately, I think. 48 pigmented colours. Strong leads for minimal breakage. Can be used with or without water. Absolutely love it. That's amazing. So we have those. Then I'm going to have to move this off because what I've got next is probably going to take up my whole table. So I have loads of the Prism inks. I don't have just one pack. My goodness, guys, I have 2. Look at the beautifulness of all those colours, and I'm probably making up words, but I am a big ink fiend. I love inks. I love inks with pretty names, and look at the names. We've got Lily Pad, we've got Tangerine, Letterbox Red, Royal Bro. Oh my goodness, right up my street. Wow, I cannot wait to play with these. I am so incredibly excited. How amazing is that? Oh my goodness. Dye-based inks. Wow, what's not to love? My goodness. Oh my goodness, and then as if that wasn't all enough, I have a load of samples of pattern papers and sentiments. So this is some of the patterned papers. They look double-sided. Oh my goodness, look at these. I'm just going to flick through because there's so many. My goodness, look how gorgeous these are. My goodness, those ones are 8 by 8. I have a load of those. Those are like glossy papers. Then I have these. Now these I had been eyeing up on the website, so I'm pretty excited that they've really kindly sent me some. So this is like the kind of adorable scorable type cardstock, but it's patterned paper. Look! Oh my goodness! Love it! Look at this! Oh my word, it's just so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look. I get very excited about cardstock at the best of times, but this is pressing all my buttons. Oh my goodness, isn't it just stunning? I'm just going really quick because I've got a lot to go through. This is amazing. This is like the sky one. These are all on their website. As I said, I had been eyeing them up. Look. Oh, it's just beautiful. My goodness. Then I have these ones which are like foiled. Again, absolutely stunning. Look at that script. Oh, the pinks. Daisies. Oh, it's just wow, wow, wow. Look at the bees. Oh, love it. I am in absolute heaven right now. My goodness, that's got a bit bent in postage, but that's fine. I can work around that. So that's those, and then I have got a load of sentiments because I didn't have anything to be able to put sentiments on my cards. So they have sent me all of these. I'm just going to have to really carefully move these off. So we've got mum ones, dad ones, daughter ones. These ones are all foiled. Those are like wife and auntie. I mean, this will keep me going for ages. And I've done a cheeky little order as well, I'll be honest. Which will be in a haul video coming up, but I have ordered some sentiment books off the website and off of Amazon actually. Well, these are amazing. Oh, and the colours. Oh, I could not be happier if I tried. Oh my god, look at the pink! Look at the pink! Really, really nice. What I like is they're all different colours, so there's something for every occasion. I really like the foiling. I don't think I've really used many foiled sentiments before because I didn't have them. So these are great. This will keep me going for ages. Like, they're not going to have to be worrying about me and sentiments for a long, long time. Look, and they're all different sizes as well. So there's something for every card. Oh my goodness, look, I'm still going! Still going! These are like A4 sheets, which are pretty much covered. There's not much room around the sides. Oh my goodness, just look! Absolutely incredible. I love how pale that pink is. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Right, last two. Oh, finishing with hot pink. Of course we are. And I love hot pink. So, my goodness. Spoilt much. So that was design team package number 2. I will leave a link to the Hunkydory website in the description box of this video. So if you're wanting to go over and have a look and grab anything, you absolutely can. As I said, I have been sent this because I'm new to their design team and I'm going to be designing samples for them for launches and stuff, so I kind of needed a good stock of their product, which I think we can all agree I'm well sorted now, and I cannot wait to play. I've actually got a box sitting to the side of me of stuff waiting for my attention that needs designing with, so I'm really excited. I cannot wait to start playing. But let me know what you think. Have you used any of this? Have you got any of this? What's your favourite colouring medium as well? Because I think everyone's got a different thing they go to. Or do you change? Do you spend months and months maybe playing with markers and then think I'm done with those now, and then you pick up pencil colours and you use those for months and months because you rediscover your love for pencil colours? Let me know, because I certainly chop and change, and at the moment I'm very into my pencil colours, has to be said. So I think we know what I'll be playing with first. So thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate everyone who takes the time to come and watch my videos. I really hope you've enjoyed seeing what I've been sent. If you have enjoyed today's video, please do leave it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please do hit the red subscribe button and help my channel grow. I will be back soon with more videos, so until next time, thank you so much once again for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.